Hello and welcome to Avenues Asia. I'm Isa Tan, and today we're going to chat with Dr. Sheila Rose Gatchalian and Dr. Sharon Doreen Castro of the Philippine Veterinary Feed Practice Incorporated about the upcoming Veterinary Feed Congress 2026 to be held in Quezon City on July 8, 2026. Thank you for joining me today, Doc Sheila and Doc Sharon.
Good morning, Ma'am
Good
Isa.
morning, ma'am. Thank you also for this opportunity to promote the Veterinary Feed Congress 2026.
Okay. Um, let's get started. And I want to ask you about what the Veterinary Feed Congress is all about, and when was the first one held?
Okay, so the Veterinary Feed Congress actually serves as a valuable national platform for collaboration, innovation, and as well as excellence. So it is an initiative that places animal feed at the forefront of the animal industry. So see, veterinary feed practice or PCVFP is hosting this. So PCBFP is a specialized college associated with the Philippine Veterinary Medical Association or PVMA, and it was established in 1998. So PCVFP stands as a premier organization that is dedicated to the promotion of food safety and security, as well as the principle of One Health through the implementation of responsible and ethical veterinary feed practice.
So, Ma'am Isa, to add to that, the Philippine Veterinary Feed Congress started last year in 2025. So, actually, this is just the second edition of the VFC or the Veterinary Feed Congress.
Yeah.
Ah,
And
okay.
yeah, sorry. To add, Ma'am Isa, by the way, the Veterinary Feed Congress is a twin event. So we have the on-site, which will be conducted in July, and we also have an online event, which will happen in November 25, 2026.
Okay. What will be the difference between the on-site and the online version?
It's just the platform.
Oh,
So we have the same goal, but we will bring it on a virtual option so that a vast or wider audience can also receive the news and also the updates from the veterinary feed practice.
okay. Why is it important for the feed and veterinary industries to gather at this event?
Actually, it is because of its cross-cutting relevance, the veterinary feed practice. So this frames feed as a unifying cross industry or cross-disciplinary driver across the animal industry. So thereby creating synergy across the specialty colleges, the different organizations, and the different practitioners. So events like this will provide an important platform for collaboration, knowledge exchange, and also it creates meaningful discussions to help strengthen food safety, responsible nutrition, as well as innovation within the animal industry, as well specifically the feed industry.
Yeah,
Doc
so yeah, when we started conceptualizing the Veterinary Feed Congress last year, it was more of trying to when we scouted the industry and the activities that's happening year in year out, we realized that there are just little, maybe just webinars or seminars, particularly for focusing on the feed practice, but we realized that there's really not much of a big platform for to talk and discuss and launch ideas, policies, discuss innovations and sustainable activities that pertaining to feed practice. So feed feed practices has a lot of big impact in production, on animal production. So we wanted to be the spearhead of bringing this platform to where everyone can gather, those who are interested to learn, to network, and give this to the to everyone, and have something that everyone can look forward every year. So yeah, that's why the VFC, or the Veterinary Congress, is born.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yes, Doc
yeah.
Sheila, did you add?
Yeah, so it will bring together key stakeholders from the veterinary, feed, the academe, and regulatory sectors for collaborative learning and dialogue that is beyond the common conferences, the e-learning that we used to hold
Okay.
in PCBFP.
Okay. How can, or I'm sorry, what can participants expect when they attend the Feed Congress, the Veterinary Feed Congress?
Okay, so this year has been bigger and bolder for our program. So we increased the number of participants. So from last year, so we have moved to a bigger venue as well. So we are bringing together 200 participants, including veterinarians, nutritionists, academicians, feed manufacturers, industry leaders, regulators, and of course, members of the different specialty colleges, organization, and like your organization, Ma'am Isa, partner organizations in the industry to foster collaboration across all the sector in the animal feed industry. So, since we are still establishing or branding as PCBFP, because before, um, PCBFP doesn't have a recall. So since we would like to improve our branding, we are highlighting this year the importance of partnership and linking to industry partners to collaborate, yeah, in order to have to provide better service to the feed industry.
Okay. What topics or theme will be discussed during this particular Congress, this session?
So the BFC 2026 showcases the latest breakthroughs, innovations, and research findings that will boost the efficiency in feed milling and further enhance the quality of our output. No? So it likewise emphasizes the importance of achieving agricultural sustainability in the midst of the global concerns that we are experiencing like right now, such as climate change, pollution, poverty, food insecurity, health, as well as natural hazards or disasters that transcends beyond national borders. So this year's event gathers cross-disciplinary experts to explain interesting topics about the newly passed law, the RA 12308, or the Animal Industry Development and Competitiveness Act. So Dr. Jet will provide guidelines for the licensing of establishments and registration of veterinary drugs, products, and biologics, and other related animal health products and devices pursuant to the Republic Act 1208, or the Animal um, Development and Competitiveness Act. So actually, this is a very good venue to cascade the new information about the new law. And we also have sustainable animal nutrition, interdisciplinary nutrition, antimicrobial resistance, which is also related to One Health. We have new technology on feed storage and precision nutrition. And I would also like to add another important feature in the 2026 VFC is the launching of the Philippine Compendium on Feed and Veterinary Drug Laws. So this is the 2026 edition, an updated one, since the initial release, the Millennium Edition. Yeah, so we are preparing for that.
Um, I think you kind of touched on this already, but how will this Congress overall benefit uh, producers, vet, and feed manufacturers in practical terms?
Okay, so this is through meaningful discussions and knowledge sharing or exchange. Yeah, we know about the updates in the industry. Together, we will explore solutions that empower the different stakeholders to have an ethical and future-ready feed systems. So it will bring forth learnings on how we can evolve together as an industry and how we can better prepare for the future and achieve agricultural sustainability in the midst of global concerns, like I mentioned earlier, particularly the climate change, political instabilities, and calamities that we are experiencing right now.
Doc Sharon, do you want to add to it?
Yeah, to add to that, this Congress really is a platform, Ma'am Isa. It's something that, you can look forward to every year, like I said earlier, and that, you can go there, you can go to this Congress and learn. And for our speakers, they have that platform to, share their knowledge. And if you're there, when you're attending, you can learn, you can ask, you can share, and you can actually connect with your fellow professionals. So this is that opportunity, a big opportunity to be able to do so.
Okay. So collaboration among the different stakeholders really
Yes.
plays a big role here.
Yes.
Yeah.
As my final question, how do you hope the Veterinary Feed Congress will impact the industry, not just in the Philippines now, but maybe later on, even beyond our country?
We hope that this platform will create lasting impacts, including the future of the veterinary feed practice. So, as mentioned, this is the first platform for veterinary feed practice to be established in our industry. We have other platforms, but for the veterinary feed practice, yeah, the PCVFP has established this role, and it will bring forth learning on how we can evolve together and as an industry amidst the global concerns. And together, we will strengthen partnership among stakeholders in the feed industry, not only here in the Philippines as well as internationally. Yeah, because we have sponsors also that came from international background or international landscape. So together we can explore solutions from the other end of the world and they can bring it here in the Philippines for advances in sustainability and innovation. So, and with this comes our responsibility as feed producers or food producers to deliver safe food or safe feeds to ensure food security. No? So, as we say it, feed safety is equal to food safety. So when
Yes.
representatives from the different organizations or sectors engage in the same conversation, so the science of feed practice advances more quickly and blind spots are therefore reduced.
Okay.
Yes. So
Doc-
we hope, ma'am, that the event will impact. Our theme for this year is synergy in practice, feed as a keystone of veterinary specialties and sustainable innovation. So we are putting feed practice as in the spotlight and recognizing the role that it has to play in animal production and feed safety. So feed and food safety. So uh, we want to bring awareness. So the only way to bring awareness is to talk about it. So for example, on the antimicrobial resistance, the judicial use of antimicrobials in animal feeds that affects all of us because we are the consumers. And then, of course, feed and food safety, the quality control and diagnostics. Of course, the nutritional diseases, the impact of using nutrition in curing or as a medicine, and of course, talking about the policies and the regulations. This is an expert, like an expert forum that everyone can attend. That's why we're looking at collaboration. Really, collaboration is where is our operative word in this Congress. So we want everyone to be involved because this actually affects all of us. So yeah, we want to bring this impact through this Congress.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for joining me
Thank you.
today and giving more information about the upcoming Congress. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, Mamisa.
And
See you
Thank
thank
you.
all.
you.
Yeah, see you
Thank
all.
you. Yeah, thank you very much, Ma'am Isa. And we at PCVFP, we will continue our commitment to move the sector forward through science and shared purpose and responsibility.
So,
Thank
Ma'am
you very
Isa,
much.
uh, yeah, can we just give a last invite? So, to all watching this, please, we would love to have you at the Philippine Veterinary Feed Congress 2026 at Novotel, Manila on July 8. So, see you all. Maraming salamat.
See you
Thank you.
all. Thank you.